Morocco versus Zambia. Let me take that music down. I'm so excited, man. I got the ticket, finally got the ticket. Actually parked my car somewhere all the way there. I'm gonna be walking for at least a couple of kilometers. Who said I wasn't gonna come in? I'm looking for gate 8. I'm very happy that I came early, and that's the gate 8. This stadium is amazing. It reminds me back in Enfield, kind of same color. Wow. Guys, I met this bald head looking like me. His name is Sufyan. All the way to Morocco.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand up for the national anthem of Morocco.
Come on Morocco.
Mohammed
Shibi.
Number 17, Absaman.
Zenzouné.
Number 24, Naya.
I know it. Now it's the night time, it's a bit of chaos. Got to go back and find my car, but I'm very happy. 3-0 for Morocco. Thank you very much, Rabat. We're coming back.